How to redeem Chipotle promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Chipotle promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the genuine website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Chipotle. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the code for Chipotle. So here are a few offers. You can just go through it and select the offer that you wanna grab. With that, you'll get the code for it. Now I can copy the code. Once you copy the code, click on Redeem at Chipotle. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, make your order, and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can head back. You can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Chipotle. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. So this way, you can easily redeem Chipotle promo codes. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.